never in ketosis.
Never, yeah. I think that depends upon your geographical location and resources that are available, but I would definitely say that not being in ketosis would be very unnatural for our early ancestors.
Today, most people are...
Ketosis is... We were hardwired to transition seamlessly in and out of ketosis, and I think not doing that presents some problems in regards primarily to metabolic flexibility. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so for modern humans on a standard American diet to limit carbohydrate or just to even do fasting, they'll go through a period of, the brain goes through what I call glucose withdrawal. It's called the keto flu, and some people experience pretty dramatic negative effects of that transition into ketosis, which from a physiologist's point of view should be really seamless if you have good metabolic flexibility.
Think about it would be that today the average person has spent their entire life eating, a standard American diet. So they would have basically never been in ketosis.
Ketosis is a physiological state that's defined by an objective biomarker that you can measure in the blood. For example, blood levels of beta-hydroxybutyrate, when it gets above 0.5 millimolar, that is the clinical state of ketosis. They weren't measuring ketones, but that defines ketosis, and a ketogenic diet is a scientific diet and is actually a prescription medical therapy developed in the Mayo Clinic in the early 1920s.
I've also had conversations on the podcast about the metabolic roots of cancer and how going into ketosis might be beneficial for treating and or preventing cancers.